Hey everyone, how's it going? What's up? I really hope everyone is doing great. Today in this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the Via Keto Apple Gummies before you guys actually buy this product. I also have some really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you, all right? The first thing is to watch out with the website you're going to buy from because today the Via Keto Apple Gummies is only sold through the official website. And so to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So if you use that link, the latest offer that's available at the moment will automatically get activated, so please don't miss that. Also, be careful with the people here on YouTube saying they use it when they actually don't use this supplement, all right? So, what is the Via Keto Apple Gummies after all, and does it actually help you to lose weight and lose fat in a natural and safe way? And the answer is yes. Today, the Via Keto Apple Gummies is helping thousands of people because of inside its ingredients, there are many powerful natural ingredients that help accelerate your metabolism, such as green tea extracts, chromium, and so much more. Many people can't lose weight because their metabolism is very slow. And when your metabolism is slow, it can't burn energy and it can't burn fat and you can't lose weight. And that's why this product is helping a lot of people because it makes your metabolism work so much faster. And as your metabolism works faster, you will lose weight. So yes, it does work, all right? Something really important you need to know as well is that you have to be really realistic about your treatment. As I just said, the Via Keto Apple Gummies is no magical superpower product, but it will help you accelerate your metabolism, and each metabolism works in a different and unique way. So it may be that you lose a lot of weight in 1, 2, or 3 months. Many people, however, lose more weight after 3 to 6 months, but it will always depend on how your organism will react. So if someone tells you that you will lose 10 pounds in 1 week, that is impossible, all right? You will have to test the product and see how your metabolism will react to the ingredients that are inside the Via Keto Apple Gummies. So just be realistic about your treatment, and that's something really important and sincere that I have to share with you. So the big question also that people have is, what is the best way to take the Via Keto Apple Gummies? Guys, every bottle consists of 30 gummies made with the finest quality ingredients, and according to the makers of this product, you can take 1 gummy every day with a glass of water, and they also suggest taking the supplement consistently over a few weeks for maximum benefits. So keep that in mind, all right? Also, what are the side effects? Well, let me put it this way. This supplement has no side effects. It contains only natural ingredients, eliminating the risk of allergy, side effects, and other negative consequences of using the gummies. So yes, you can trust this product. There are so many people having great results with the Via Keto Apple Gummies, and you can have these results as well. You need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. And that's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you can be realistic about your treatment and also expectations. So the Via Keto Apple Gummies is highly tested and manufactured in a GMP certified laboratory, and each and every bottle comes with a 100% 60-day satisfaction guarantee. So if you don't like it for any reason, or if it doesn't work out for you, you can get your money back. Also, make sure you buy it from the official website so you don't have any problems with this product, all right? You need to take this treatment seriously, guys. You need to take it every single day or else you won't see great results and you will actually get frustrated. Its results largely depend on the individual characteristics of the body. So guys, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I really hope this video has helped you, and if you have any questions, please let your comment below, and I'm here to gladly help you guys out, all right? So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye!